Your first project in Kdenlive. Open up Kdenlive. Click the Open Project icon to select and open an existing project. If you know your clip's exact resolution and FPS, you can choose any of these profiles. If you don't know the resolution and FPS, just click New Project. Since we have not selected any project profile, it is asking again to set up a profile. By default, Kdenlive is trying to use the default profile, HD 1080p 25 frames per second. There are so many profiles available to use. You can also change the number of video tracks and audio tracks for your timeline. However, you can always add or delete tracks later. Click OK. You can still check and update the project profile settings by clicking the File menu and Project Profile Settings. At this point, Kdenlive is using its default profile settings for you. This is the project bin, and everything you import into the project will stay here. Click the Add Clip or Folder icon, select your clip, and click OK. I am importing a square clip with a resolution of 1440 by 1440 and 30 frames per second. Now here's the tricky part. The project profile is set to HD 1080p 25 frames per second, which takes this space, but we imported our first clip as 1440 by 1440 and 30 frames per second, which takes this space. That's exactly why Kdenlive is asking whether to stay in the default settings or use the settings from the newly imported clip. If you click Cancel, Kdenlive will use its default project profile. Drag the clip to the timeline, click the timeline at the beginning of the clip, and hit space to play. The frame is full landscape, and the clip is in square resolution, so it is playing at the center of the frame. But from this step, if you click Switch Profile, your entire project profile will be updated. Drag the clip to the timeline, click the timeline at the beginning of the clip, and hit space to play. Now the frame is using the square resolution, and all clips will use this same setting from now on. To verify the profile currently being used, click the File menu and Project Settings. Here, Kdenlive is using 1440 by 1440 and 30 FPS, which is taken from your imported clip. Now go to the File menu, click Save, choose a directory, give it a name, and click Save. You have successfully created your first project. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.